So Charlotte, what have you been doing today?
I've been doing the flower arranging today, so just basically did a yacht today and organised all the flowers nicely.
And what theme did you have to do it?
We had to depict water today.
Meilir, pwy ti wedi bod yn cystadlu gyda heddi?
Clwb Ffermwyr Ifanc Eglwys Wrw.
A beth ti wedi bod yn neud?
Fi wedi bod yn neud dawnsio, ble nathon ni ennill, digwydd bod.
Da iawn.
A fi newydd orffen cystadleuaeth gwneud steilo gwallt a rhoi make-up ar ferch o glwb arall. Nath yn wyllt ar disgwyl.
Well, Chris, what club are you from?
Clynderau.
And what have you been doing today?
Setting up this room and I got tug of war out of it.
Ah, so how did the room do?
We won, mate.
You won?
job, mate.
Well done. So up to the Royal Welsh now with the room.
Aye.
I hear Clynderau are doing quite well.
Yeah, not too bad. We gave second in the scrapbook as well, so it's not too bad at all.
All good then.
Tidy job.
Wel, ti'n edrych yn ddiddorol iawn. Be ti'n mynd i wneud dan?
Wel, fi'n neud yr garden band heddi nawr. Bach yn wyntog, ond eitha neis.
A ti'n gallu wario rhyw offeryn?
Ie, fi'n chwarae'r brwsh.
Y brwsh. Lyfli. So beth ti'n mynd i wneud ar brwsh?
Wel, fi'n cadw'r ceriad i pawb, so os dwi'n meso lan bydd pawb arall yn.
Ac yn rhywcholi pwy i ti eddi?
Llys y Fran.
So Talia, what are you doing now? You're looking a bit, well, what can I say? You haven't got much clothes on.
I'm just about to weigh in for tug of war, because we've got tug of war too, but we've changed our team, so we have to weigh in. And I've just done flower arranging.
Brilliant. What did you do in the flower arranging? What was the theme?
The theme was table centrepiece from a musical, and I did Chicago.
And a bit of a change now for the tug of war.
Yeah, from one extreme to the other.
And how much do you have to weigh as a team now?
8 of us have to weigh 580. I think we're a bit over, so we haven't been eating all week. Starving.
Wel, Arwel, ti sydd wedi cyfrannu at y bwyd lyflu yma?
Ie, do, fi yn wrth i bore yma ddechreuon ni am, wel, 10 o gloch ddechreuon ni, a fi yw un o'r tîm o 3 gweithio'r bwyd. Fi wrth starter a yn leo canapés mas. A mae'n edrych yn eitha da ar ôl gorffen.
War y teg, so oedd lot o gwaith ti'n mynd mewn i creu rein, neu?
Oedd, wel, awr da ni. A gymeron i'r awr i gyd lande rhwng popeth. Ond, so ni wedi marfer rhy galed ys fe.
Just
gadw pethau'n eitha ffres a swe pethau'n iawn, gadw nhw fod.
Ie. A'r peth pwysig, ydyn nhw gyd yn blasu yn neis?
Wel, sa wedi cael sa'i wedi cael amser i flasu nhw to, gobeithio bydda nhw.
Wel, beth y ti wedi bod yn neud heddi?
Dim lot heddi, jyst wedi bod yn neud y cystadleuaeth rocsiwn, na gyd heddi, cael Rali Sir Benfro lenni, ond na gyd wedi bod yn neud lenni, de.
A beth oedd y rocsiwn yn cynnwys te?
Wel, rhaid ni mynd rownd a rhoi prisiau ar bethau byddwch chi'n ffeindio ar y ffarm yn ddyddiol, a jyst rhoi prisiau arnyn nhw wedyn gwerthu un ohonyn nhw, a wnaethon ni, wel, rhaid ni werthu'r tractor.
Wel, dyma merch y diwrnod wrth gwrs, y llys gynhades eleni. Non, sio ti'n teimlo?
Good job.
A gwed wrth ddau am y dydd, sio mae'n mynd so far?
Ie, dwi'n real joio. Cyrraeddon ni am tua 11 o gloch, a wedyn seremoni'r croni'r llys gynhades, a wedyn gorffes i newid wedyn i wneud tug of war, a ath hwnna'n dda, nawr ni'n newid nôl to. So ie, mae'n dwi'n really good.
So diwrnod fisi den?
Ie, dwi'n flat out, wedi joio per munud.
A cyrraeddach chi'n maes mewn steil bach gwahanol, Lenny?
Do, bach o clas mewn horsebox, ie.
Ond oedd y carpet coch na, so oedd e ddim yn rhy wel.
Na, ie, we're like a carpet coch.
So, siwr oedd y tug of war dych chi den?
Do, real good. Meddwl dethon ni'n ail yn y diwedd, so ie, real good. Y tro cynta ni erioed i trial, so good result, ie.
Beth ti'n edrych mlaen at nawr yn gweddill y diwrnod? Y cyflwyniadau, ie?
Ie, dwi'n rheini. Mae clwb fi ni wedi cael eitha lot o cwmpanes, so gobeithio allai roi mas cwpl o reini, a wedyn y dans hyn wrth gwrs.
The overall results, in 4th position, we have Llys y Fran. In 3rd place, Keyston. In 2nd place, winning the W.E. Thomas Trophy, the runners-up trophy. Can I ask the County President to award this, please? In 2nd place overall, we have Clynderau. one, please. It's known to come up for the last time to present this trophy. It is the National Farmers Union Challenge Shield for the club gaining the highest total number of points. And the club winning this and winning the rally for 2011 are Eglisuru. Diolch I bob un I beth sydd wedi bod yn ddwrnod arbennig iawn. Thank you to everybody.